cleaning and disinfection by using sanitizer solution. After detaching and pre-disinfecting the Vihood, proceed to completely disinfect and clean before storage or further usage. Step 1. Take the equipment out of the aluminum bag or container, tally and detach the components. Remove and discard the exhale filter on the facepiece frame and blower box. Step 2. Disinfect the bag/container by using soap, sanitizer or Javel water, liquid bleach, etc. Step 3. Isolate the blower box, battery and USB cable from other components. Use the alcohol-soaked towel to carefully clean the surfaces of the blower box, battery and USB cable, then place them into the disinfected bag/container. Step 4. Submerge the equipment in a cleaning solution. The cleaning solution needs to be in the right concentration. Thinner concentration can reduce the effect of the disinfection. Thicker concentration can reduce the life of the material, causing corrosion, material discoloration. Step 5. After soaking the components at the recommended time, clean them with water, hang them in shadow. In case the user needs to reuse the equipment right after the disinfection process, use a clean towel to wipe out water or hair dryer. Step 6. After the components are dried, insert new filters into the exhale filter holder on the headgear and new non-wovine filter on the blower case. Then reassemble all the components for storage or continue usage. Fully charge the battery after the disinfection process is completed.